We didn't go to attack the people of Homa Bay. The goons who were set against us were the ones who came to attack us. There is nowhere, there is no single video clip, there is nothing, no single photo showing where Oliver was chaotic. Oliver was consistently with us as we were getting down. And that they are saying that there are 15 people, a group of 15 people that were arrested before Sunday, and that was on a Saturday, and that these 15 people were being organized by Oliver. I think you should do better than this to the police officers that we have in this country. I think you should have better brains than what you possess at the moment. How do you just allege that those goons belonged to one Oliver? How do you know? How do you allege? Meanwhile, you have video clips showing the governor and the Homa Bay MP, Kaluma, saying clearly that goons should attack us and inviting goons to attack us, which means that they were the people who are organizing these goons against us.